Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a vertical text box in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then you want to insert a vertical text box. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and choose the blank slide. Then go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Then write or paste any text. Now I am paste some text. Press Ctrl V on our keyboard. Now we want to make the text box vertical. Go to the shape format menu and select the rotate option. Then click the rotate. You can rotate right 90 degree or left. Now I am select the right left 90 degree. Then we can see we make our text box vertical easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.